Hello everyone, Sarah here. Welcome to FTC, Funded Trader Capital. We are here to help you become a funded trader. We are excited to share an important update regarding one of our trading objectives. We now have unlimited trading days. As part of our commitment to continuously enhance our services and meet the evolving needs of our clients, we are implementing a significant change to our trading policy. This is how FTC works. We are going to first focus on the profit target needed to pass your evaluation challenge. Phase 1, Demo Stage. In this stage, you'll need to achieve 8% profit in unlimited trading days. Phase 2, Verification. Once you've successfully completed Phase 1, you'll need to achieve a 5% profit in unlimited trading days. Phase 3, Get Funded. Once you've successfully completed Phase 2, in this stage, you'll receive 80% of the profits you generate with weekly payouts. However, you'll still need to maintain the same consistency rules. FTC, turning your dreams into reality.